My name is Jānis Kalnačs. I came from Latvia, a small country near Baltic Sea. I am professor at Vidzemes University of Applied Sciences and also Dean of Faculty of Tourism and Hospitality Management. It is my second visit to Barcelona. The first one was 10 years ago when I came to Barcelona just as simple tourist. Now I'm as one of participants of this CHARTS project. And for me it's very interesting to participate in this workshop and these seminars of two reasons. The first one is very interesting to receive information from the people who are making world policy in tourism, in world heritage protection. That's one reason. Another one, and of course I use this information reading lectures to my students in bachelor and master programs. Another reason is to participate in this CHARTS project together with Vidzemes. It is northern part of Latvia, a tourist association. And it's very interesting to compare my understanding of tourism, my understanding of cultural tourism with world interesting practices. And of course, I am thinking by myself, I have my own opinion. Sometimes it's similar to the stories and facts and theories told in this conference. Sometimes very different. And aim of my today presentation will be to present to conference participants problems in my country, to show different ways of solutions, because there are very many differences in if we compare Spain with Latvia. And of course the problems are more or less the same, solutions may be different. And of course the best way is to not just to talk, but also to realize some projects. And I think it's very important to change minds, change opinions, and to find out the best of solutions.